What is going on, fam? So tonight is a very big night. I got a package in last week, actually, the day after I filmed that video for you guys. And you guys already know what the package is. It's the FD2 conversion. And I'm with Kev tonight. See what's good, Kev?
It took us an hour to put that thing on, man.
Just the headlight.
Just the headlight.
Just the headlight, because we already had the fender in.
That was ridiculous.
So
we're working hard.
Yeah, we're working hard. But here's a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but here's the USDM, and then bada bing, bada boom. Got the JDM FD2. Damn, she looks good. Fitment's pretty perfect. Not gonna lie. I got the lights right here. But I didn't put them in yet. But yeah, this is what we got so far. I'm taking out this side fender now, passenger. I already took out these 3 bolts. You got 1, 2, 3. Or no, this is actually a clip for the windshield washer fluid. But you got 1, 2, and I believe 3. And you got some bolts for the headlights in there. You got some more bolts for the fender right in there, kind of. You got an axis in there, and then you got one under here, where under your side skirt, and I got to take this part off right here, and there's another bolt right under here. So let's get to cooking.
You forgot to put this back on. That's in the door jam, bro.
Damn.
Gotta take everything apart now.
Are you serious?
I don't know. I don't think so.
So the thing that I forgot to put in was actually this Johnny right here. And that was a little bracket or a splash guard for the fender, kind of. It goes right in between the door jamb, right in between the door and the fender, as so, right in here. Basically prevents anything from getting in the interior of your car. Fender liner's already there and functional, so shouldn't have an issue, but I'm going to slide this up in between the fender liner or wheel well and get her in there just for precaution. But we're going to do that after. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. That's it right there. And the fender wraps around it. But yeah, we got the other USDM fender off and the headlight off with the bracket. And now we got our passenger side fender right here, ready to line up and ready to bolt in. So let's get to it. So guys, we got the passenger fender all installed, and the driver fender, and the driver headlight, and the passenger headlight. Sheesh. She is looking really, really good. Really aggressive. And we got the front bumper right here. I am unfortunately leaving the bumper and the hood off for the time being because I got to do a little motor work, so that's why I'm not going to be putting the hood on, and I'm going to keep the bumper off because when I bring to go get the car painted, I'm going to have them install the bumper for me so they can get perfect fitment, because I'm never good with I always seem to mess up these little clips here, and I already started to. Not bad, but it's definitely a little weaker than it was. Just trying to fit it earlier, and it wasn't working out too well for me. So I'm just going to have the body shop do it when I get the whole car painted. But I could give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what it's kind of going to look like. Here, I will line her up for you guys. But as you guys see, also I gotta put my grills in, but this car is going to look pretty darn crazy, if you ask me, and I am really excited. And I really love this J's Racing front lip. It really gives a wider look to the car. I'm really digging that. So guys, I didn't throw them on completely, as you can see. I kind of just sat them on there, the grill pieces, just so you guys can get a better idea of what it's going to look like. So these are the grill pieces. And there's one more thing I also got, and that is these bad boys right here, which are fog light air ducts, and basically they fit just like that. Gives it a nice aggressive look. Well, I hope you guys are just excited about this conversion as I am, because I am hyped. Car should be ready to go within a few weeks. Just got to get it painted. If anyone has any suggestions on a color they want to see, comment that down below. I'm definitely open to suggestions. Shout out to my boy Joshua for hooking it up with the conversion. If you guys want to go to him, hooks it up for a steal, and the fitment so far is damn near perfect. Really have zero complaints for the price I paid, which was like literally that's it. And the rear was a little more expensive because I went the OEM route. That cost me near too for everything. But yeah, so hope you guys are excited about this. I'm not going to show you, but we are making some progress on the rear end as we speak as well. So this car is pretty much an FD2 right now. She's an FD2. I have a tack on the way. I'm sure you guys could guess what kind of tack that is. But yeah, once I get all this conversion down, I'm going to be strictly focusing on performance aspects. I want to get this thing track ready. Not as much going to be doing power, adding too much power into it. I definitely want a nice NA setup, maybe around, my goal would be 275 to 300 NA horsepower, which I know is a lot, but it's definitely possible, and we're going to make it happen. But for now, after the conversion, I want to focus on handling, so we're going to do some sway bars, tie rods, maybe get some aftermarket bushings, like the Moog bushings are good, control arm bushings, whatnot, stiffen up that suspension. And I'm going to want to invest in some better coilovers down the road, maybe some Fortunato. I know silvers are good. I definitely want more track-oriented coilovers than street, because I don't drive this too much, and when I do, it's pretty much just to go to a show, to get some pulls in, whatnot. So I think a track-oriented coilover setup would be pretty perfect for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you guys want to see or have any questions about the conversion, feel free to leave questions down below. Still got to put these things in. The side markers came with that as well. But yeah, pretty much it, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.